In this video, we are going to show you the 5 secrets only the smartest RVers know, so stay tuned.
We are Charity, Ben, Dakota, and Trinity. We decided we didn't want to wait for a life of adventure, so in 2017, we bought our first RV and set off to live a life of travel in the USA. We've visited over 38 states in 3 years and have many more to go. Follow along to learn all the best places to see, RV and travel tips, and much more. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel if you are a regular viewer, and if you're checking us out for the first time, well, after you've watched this video, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you thought this video was helpful in any way. So we have been on the road for about 4 years now, and we have learned a ton on the way, but not everything we've learned was necessarily firsthand. And basically what I mean by that is we didn't learn everything through the school of hard knocks. Thank God. But some of the things that we've learned have actually been tips that we've picked up from other veteran RVers that have helped us out. And these are the RVers that we would call the smart RVers. So we are going to share with you the secrets that we have learned from mistakes we've made, but also from some of the smartest RVers that are out there. So let's get started. So secret number 1, if you need any repair on the chassis part of your RV. And so what this would be is if you have a drivable RV, like a Class A, Class C, B van, the chassis would be things that are like engine or drivetrain related. And if you have a fifth wheel or a travel trailer, well, the chassis would be things that have to do with maybe like the axles, the wheel bearings, the wheels themselves, the brakes. If you need repairs on these types of items, check with local repair facilities first versus going to an RV dealer. What we have found is that if you have a diesel engine, most any semi-truck shop can make repairs on the chassis, the engine, the transmission, anything like that on a diesel engine. If you have a gas engine RV, large truck shops that work on gas engines, so think about trucks that are like U-Haul trucks or delivery trucks or things like that. A truck shop is usually equipped with the equipment needed to work on anything that's a little bit larger scale, but being able to do work on the engine, the brakes, the transmission, all of those things. If you have a trailer, any trailer shop, so think of a dealer or a shop that works on things like enclosed trailers, horse trailers, things of that nature. What we have found in our years of RVing is that utilizing these types of shops when you need repairs, you can usually get in much quicker, and repairs actually can be a little bit less expensive than trying to go through your typical RV dealer. Now, you'll have to let us know in the comments below, because we have been hearing all sorts of buzz in the RV community lately about how long that repairs are taking at RV dealers just because of the influx of RVs that are being used at the moment. So let us know in the comments below if maybe you've experienced that huge delay trying to get your RV into the dealer for repairs. And if you need repairs, check out your local repair shops with truck shops and trailer shops first.
Secret number 2 is that really the smartest RVers really know that there's a ton of wasted space in these RVs. So what you want to do is just make use of this wasted space. So in our 2004 Fleetwood Discovery, there is a ton of wasted space. There's wasted space up by the TV area that I'm in the process of modding and putting some shelf space in there. Right here, underneath the couch, there's a ton of, the whole piece underneath this couch was area that could have been utilized for storage, but it was basically just closed off and just nothing. You couldn't store anything under there. So what I did was I hooked a hinge on this couch here, so we can open and close it. So as you can see, there's a ton of storage under here. We can fit several clear bins of stuff under here. So we'll put usually like either my camera equipment under here or some of the kids' items underneath this couch, which has really allowed us to, you know, get stuff off the floor, get it out of the way, so we're not tripping on it or anything. And it's been just an amazing place to store stuff out of the way.
Secret number 3 that the smartest RVers know is using lightweight towels. We use these microfiber towels from Venture Forth, and I'll put a link in the description below, but using a lightweight towel like a microfiber towel or a Turkish towel, something that is not your typical terry cloth towel, is a must-have for RV life. These are super lightweight. They dry very, very quickly. So when you're RVing and you go to hang up your towels after you're done taking a shower, the old style towels can take days sometimes to dry when they're just hung on a hook. And you don't have room in an RV to try to lay out every single towel to dry. So using a lightweight towel like a microfiber or Turkish towel is the secret that the smartest RVers know. So there's like a 5-to-2 ratio here. 5 of these microfiber towels rolled up in about the same amount of space that it takes for 2 traditional towels. We love our lightweight microfiber towels. Before we move on to secrets 4 and 5, we want to give a quick word of thanks to Unique Marine and RV for sponsoring today's video. Unique Camping and Marine carries a full line of tank treatments for both boats and RVs. And if you've been on the road for 1 week or 1 year, you've probably noticed some smells, tank sensors not reading correctly, and maybe even the dreaded poop pyramid. Using the Unique method and the Unique tank treatments will eliminate odors, help tank sensors to work properly, and prevent clogs, and have no hidden chemicals. Using cleaners that kill bacteria like bleach can actually contribute some more odors in your tanks, and maintaining a healthy colony of bacteria inside your RV's black tank is one of the most effective ways to combat odors, clogging, and backups. The Unique toilet cleaner will clean your RV toilet while infusing waste-digesting microbes into the black tank. And you can use the toilet cleaner just like you would any household toilet cleaner and then follow up with a drop-in pod. You can find the Unique products on Amazon at the link in the description below, or visit gratefulglamper.com/clean tank to order. So secret number 4 that the smartest RVers have figured out, and that is less is actually more. I cannot tell you how many times that we have packed up the rig and then realized all of these things that are in here are things that we really didn't need, or how many times that we have gone on those extended trips and gone to clean these basement compartments out and realized there is stuff down here that hasn't been touched in months. So here's a little quick trick that you can do as you're getting started, or just to kind of declutter some things. Go on a shakedown trip, just have your clothes and your food, and then figure out along the way what it is that you're missing and what you really need. Or take a look through your storage areas, your closets, things like that, and figure out what has not been used in months and months, and pass it along to the next person, and you will feel so much lighter with having less. It enhances that RV experience.
The number 5 secret is actually not really a secret, because this is something that you definitely want to know, and it's knowing the height of your RV. So the reason why you want to know the height of your RV is, have you ever been driving under a bridge that looks pretty darn low, and you kind of have a small freak out moment that, I hope my AC or top of my roof doesn't get taken off? I had one of those a couple months ago, and since then what I've done is I've taken a label maker, and well I first have taken an actual tape measure and measured from the top of my AC on the roof down to the ground of the exact height of my RV in the front and the back to make sure it's about the same. And then I printed that out with a label maker and stuck it right here on my dash. So when I'm going underneath those bridges, I can real quick glance down at my height and remember, okay, I'm 12 foot 5 inches. That bridge says 14 feet. I'm good. So that is one secret that all of the very smart RVers know.
So thank you so much for watching this video about the top secrets that the smartest RVers know. Now, we know that you guys out there are some pretty smart RVers as well, so you'll have to leave a comment below and let us know what are some of the secrets or tips that you have that you can share with the RV community. We love hearing your feedback. We read each and every comment, and so do others, so it can really help everybody out by dropping those suggestions in the comments below. If you would like to see more videos with some RV renovation, you can check those out right over here. And if you would like to see videos with mods, hacks, gadgets, check those out right over here. And if we don't see you on the road, we'll see you in the next video.